Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be making a simple password strength checker. So let's get started, but before I get started I really want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I actually can't believe I'm here, so if you would please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So to start off we're going to need to import RE, which stands for regular expression. And a regular expression basically just specifies a set of strings that matches it. So if we say we want the regular expression to start with A, so if you have a list of words like that and you say it has to start with A and end with anything, that's what your definition for a regular expression is, and it would basically select this one and none of the others. If you say you want it to start with S, or S, it would be like, it would select these. If you say SA, it would select these only, and so on. You get the point. So that's what a regular expression is. So we're going to start off with one function and then a few if-else statements, and that's basically just going to be the whole program. So it's pretty simple. So let's get started. We need to define the function. So def, let's call it checker for short, and then we're gonna have if else or if statements just to specify, just to see if it has the requirements or if it meets the criteria that we want to have a strong password. So to get started, like I said, we need to define the function, and then we need to initiate a variable, or initialize, sorry, a variable. So we're gonna call that password, and it's gonna be equal to the user input, and it's gonna tell you to enter a password. Moving on, within the function, of course, we're going to say if length of the password, and then we're going to say if it's less than 0, what do we want to do? Or less than 8, sorry, less than 8. If it's less than 8, we want to print out that it is a weak password, and then we return. So okay, so for the first one we have if length is less than 8 characters, we're going to print out, if length of the password length is less than 8 characters, we're going to print out that it's a weak password. Why? Because the password must be at least 8 characters long. It can't be less, or else it's a weak password. And then we're going to return. And for the next if statement, we're going to have f, or if not re.search. So it's going to search in the regular expression from A to Z, and it's going to search our password. So it's going to search if our password contains A to Z, and if it doesn't, it's going to print weak, because the password must contain at least one lowercase letter. So let me make that capital, or let me make it all lowercase just to be accurate. Okay, and then we're going to return. And for the next one, we're going to do the same thing, except it's going to be for capital letters. So A to Z, and then must contain at least one capital letter. Moving on, we want numbers and we want symbols. So let's print another one of this and another one of this. So for this one, we're going to say 0 to 9, and we're going to say weak because password must contain at least one number. So to have a good password, it needs to be over 8, it needs to have at least one lowercase, at least one uppercase letter, it needs to have a number, and for the last one, it needs to have symbols. And then of course we're going to edit it and say it must contain at least one special character. Okay, that's great. Moving on. And if it's not in any of these print statements or if statements, we want to print your password is strong. So let's run it. So of course we need to call it, so checker. Great. Let's run it. Hopefully no errors. Okay, enter a password. Let's say 123. Week, because it must be at least 8 characters long. Okay, let's try it again. 123, 123, 12. So that's 8. And then enter. Okay, it must contain at least one lowercase. Okay, let's try again. Enter a password. 123, lowercase. Okay, must be 8 characters long. 123, lowercase, lowercase. Okay, one capital letter. Okay, so let's say 123, and then, oops. Try again. Okay, one special character. Let's try again. Okay, 123, 123, A, and then capital A, and then let's do a capital or a special character. Okay, great. Your password is strong. So there you go. The password checker works, and I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe. And again, thank you very, very, very much for 500 subscribers. We're already at 528 today. I checked a few days ago and it was less than that, and we're still going up. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's hope we can get 1,000 subscribers soon.